There's a lot that appeals to me about nature and wildlife, and I feel like I am the only person on the beach. I'm by myself. I don't hear anything else, and it just is a very peaceful feeling. I had the Nikon 28 to 400 millimeter lens paired with Z6III, and it felt very natural. Everything flowed. I was really familiar with all the technology, but one thing I really enjoyed was the variable monitor that came in so handy for low-angle shots and a variety of things. And shooting wildlife, I feel the same way. I'm connected with the subject. There's beautiful birds, and I'm watching their activity, and I'm engaged in their actions, and it just takes me away from the real world. It's very personal, and it's very intimate, and it's beautiful. Great blue heron babies in the nest. They're chattering. They're super hungry. ISO 8000, which is absolutely amazing. They're clear, crisp, beautiful. One of the things that struck me about this camera is its low light capabilities. That's one of the differences that separates this camera from others. I love roseate spoonbills, and there's something about shooting and taking pictures of birds where you just lose yourself in the subject. I love to work in the world of slow motion. One of the things I loved about the Nikon Z6III was the frame rate, 240 frames per second. So this is something that anyone can do, and they can create these beautiful slow motion videos and tell their story in a different way. The Z6III is a powerhouse, and this is the camera that I feel that it's going to be on the shoulders. So it's going to pair nicely. It's not too heavy and very flexible.